Hi, I'm Dr. Price, Integrative Doctor Naturopath and founder of Beyond Good Health Medical Clinics. Thanks so much for joining me today. Now, how's your relationship with your mum and dad? Do you get triggered by them? Have you had difficulties over the years dealing with their demands, expectations, maybe manipulations and beliefs when it comes to you? Do you ever worry that you're becoming like your mum or dad? Do you recognize some of their traits in you that you may or may not like? If you feel this way, don't think you're alone. Most people are significantly affected and impacted by parental programming. Subconscious parental programming are those beliefs and values and expectations installed into us when we're very young, usually below the age of 7. And they impact on our ability to achieve success, our sense of self-worth, our confidence, and even affect our relationships. Our parents are the main authority figures in our childhood that either supported our power or took away our power at some level of being. They also impact on our heart field, that energy field that functions around and through our physical hearts. And when we have heart field issues, they can show up as physical heart health problems as well as deep emotional ones. Most people with heart issues aren't dealing with physical causes. They're often dealing with some level of heartbreak or unresolved emotional pain. Now, we all know that negative emotions can take their toll on our mind and spirit, but studies show that negative emotions can also suppress the immune system, increase our stress level and cause the heart to beat faster, our blood pressure to rise, and even change the heart's electrical stability, all of which can lead to heart disease and stroke. Many of the ways we respond to the events in our lives come from our parental programming, and they taught us to either respond to events with either fear and trepidation or a positive, resilient attitude. So the roots of how we interpret the world come from our childhood programming, mostly from our parents or similar authority figure. But when we clear the subconscious parental and childhood programming, we're free again. Free to step into a true, authentic, unique, and beautiful path in life. Free from all the conditioning influences of childhood. Free from the obligations and expectation of others. And then we don't end up being like our parents later in life. Most important, we regain our true power and purpose. So clearing subconscious programming also positively impacts on the heart field and helps keep our physical heart healthy and happy. So let me explain about this using a few examples. One of my patients found that whenever she went to discipline her children because they were naughty, instead of dealing them with kindness and patience and compassion the way she consciously wanted to, she found herself shouting and screaming in reaction, just like her mum did to her. Even though deep down she consciously wanted to be a better mother and not be reactive, her subconscious programming wouldn't let her down. Another patient of mine had very strict parents who had very extremely high expectations of her. And when she would meet these expectations, they'd reward her with some delicious, yummy food. And when she failed, they would withhold the treats. So love became synonymous with yummy, delicious food. And so some 40 years later, whenever she feels down or achieves success, she unconsciously turns to food for comfort and reward and self-love. So she struggles with her weight. She tries to control her behavior consciously, but never lasts, as her subconscious programming is winning every time. So can you relate to these people? Do you have a story of your own of how parental or childhood programming is basically directing your own life right now subconsciously, even though you don't want to? If so, then I invite you to come to my Love Your Heart workshop on Saturday the 30th of June. At this workshop, we're going to directly address your subconscious parental programming and childhood conditioning. We're going to disrupt the structure of these controlling beliefs that no longer serve you. We'll dissolve the neurological and physiological stress that these subconscious programming cause you. And then you'll be free to choose beliefs, values, attitudes, and behaviors that you consciously want to develop yourself. That way, who you want to be will no longer be held to ransom by your parent, who your parents believe you should be. And you're going to be free to be your authentic, beautiful self, living your truly unique beautiful life. So at my workshop, I'll be joined by acclaimed conscious health inventor and healer, Mr. Helio Matahari. Together, we'll use powerful advanced technology to direct healing frequencies to disrupt, dissolve, and remove the subconscious parental programming, as well as improving the physiological function of your physical heart. You will see positive changes in your physical health, emotional health, and the heart field as the energetic stresses is removed. You'll feel the difference immediately and over the days and weeks following the workshop. So if you think that you could benefit from dealing with your subconscious parental programming and childhood conditioning, then I invite you to join me on Saturday, 30th of June for a full day of amazing, fun and transformational changes where you meet like-minded people. To learn about this, just call Beyond Good Health Medical Clinics on 0755 228902 or go to the workshop page at beyondgoodhealth.com and go to the workshop link. So go out now and live your beautiful, powerful, authentic life. Thanks for listening.